Hey neighbor, good morning. Hope all is well with everybody on this beautiful day. We're basically just reaching out as usual, just to say thank you for all you do. Thanks for all your support. Just want to put out here to let you know that Paradise Smoothie Juice Bar is more than just food. We offer fuel for the body and soul. And this is just a little bit of the fuel we do. Basically, we show you each ingredient that we have to offer in our stores. And then we also give you some type of nugget of information so you know exactly what you're putting in your body for the deliciousness, but also the nutrient value that it brings as well. So, again, all we ask is that you come by and give us an opportunity to earn your business. Paradise Smoothie Juice Bar. You can go to our website, paradisesmoothiejuicebar.com, see if we can order in your area, if we deliver in your area, and if we would be of service to you. Again, paradisesmoothiejuicebar.com. Thanks for all you do. Come on by, give us a try. Go.